The Markup tool in uMake enables you to sketch directly on a slide using the Markup toolbar, add notations to a design, enhance a model with some rendering or sketching around it, or add some hand-drawn elements to your presentation. While in the Slides mode, tap the Markup icon here to open up the Markup toolbar. Here you will have access to a pen tool, marker tool, pencil tool, eraser tool, selection tool, ruler, and color palette, along with undo and redo while in Markup mode. You will not be able to orbit or rotate your design while Markup mode is activated. Once you are done adding to your slide, tap Done. Markups will be related to specific slides, enabling you to try various variations on a single design or create different slides with different markups. It is important to note that updating a saved view of a slide will remove or erase any markup content on that slide. The orange markup icon on the slide denotes that a slide contains markup content. Tapping on the icon will toggle the markup content on or off.